We have a 2011 F150 5.0 engine. I'm going to show you how to replace it. There's a brand new one in the box. Truck. From the driver's side, start off by taking clip apart, follow the wire, take it off this attachment right here, follow all the way down, take it off this clip, go all the way down, follow it to the rear passenger side. Go off the clip from the differential, then you're gonna follow the cable all the way to the passenger side rear. This is the old cable, snapped off. As you can see, it comes from under the differential, comes right to here, and it hooks onto the whip to the back brake so it can pull the emergency brake. I'll show you how to install the new one right now. This is the old cable, got it out. You can see it broke over here, snapped off. This is the old cable going all the way around. Here's the new one, installed from it. Rear, you can see this is all new. Clamps, all the way under. It goes off to this side. As you can see, brand new cable right there. That's how you put a new emergency brake.